When I meet with my ex.
Hello, welcome to my Mahadi Hasan tube channel. In this video I will show you how to make this trending photo edit. Go to Google Play Store and search there Photo Lab and install it. You can install this app from my video description. After installing, now open this application. Tap on Trending tab and choose the trending effect. Now select a photo from your gallery. Tap on green button. Then your photo will processing for edit. This step will take 1 minute. And done. Click on share button to save this photo in your gallery. So subscribe to my channel and bell the notification icon to see new photo editing tutorial video. Hope that see you again.